Welcome to Nylon or belly dance. Today we're going to learn the horizontal figure 8, which is going to be a combination of my hip slide and hip twist. Let's get a detailed breakdown of this movement and get started. Starting with our basic posture. Feet, hips, width, distance. Knees are soft, tailbone is down and long, pelvis engaged, shoulders back and down, chest open. Openness through my midsection, arms out to my side, elbows are down, energy through the fingers and arms, and my chin is lifted. Okay, so today we're getting into that figure 8, right? So this is a combination of our hip slide and our hip twist. So let's drill those things first, beginning with our hip slide. I'm going to link both of the videos up top, and you can review those before getting into our hip horizontal figure 8s. So, hip slides. Let's begin on our right side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. This is our hip slide. It's one component of our horizontal figure 8 because we're going to need that stretch in the obliques. Yes. All right, let it go. Now we're going to drill our hip twists. This is over the center line of our body, and we're bringing the right hip forward on the right 45 and the left hip forward on the left 45. All right, let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it front, front, right, left, right, left, right, left. Isolate your chest. All right, let's drill in between. So we will go slide, 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 twist, 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 slide, 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 twist, 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 twist. Let it go. So our horizontal figure 8 in essence is drawing an infinity sign on the ground. You want to keep the line of your hip scarf parallel, and we're going to begin by driving that hip to the right 45 and getting our hip slide in there by stretching our obliques at the same time. Next step, we pull it back to the right 45, still with that stretch in our twist, and then we slide to the left front 45 with our stretch, keep it stretched, and then push back to the right 45. Okay, so let's hit all those points and drill it. 5, 6, 7, 8, front right, front left, back left, front right, front left, back left. Very good. Keep your chest isolated. Keep breathing. Very nice. Yes. Smooth it out. Now touch all those points, being very mindful of the parallel hip movement and straight line in your hip scarf. Pull that tailbone down, engage your pelvis, continue to breathe, isolate your chest. Very smooth while still hitting all those points and getting that stretch in your side body. Very good. All right, so that's our figure 8 back. Let's do it the other direction. So I'm going to start by pulling my right hip to the back right 45, and I'm going to pull front right, back left, back right, back left, front left. Very good. We're going the opposite direction now. Movement is the same, still drawing the infinity sign on the ground. Parallel top of my hip scarf. Smooth it out. I really love this direction. Isolate your chest. Stretch those obliques. Moving beyond the center line of my body. This is a super gorgeous movement. Yes. All right, take a deep breath, shake it out, let it go. You did great. Keep watching. More movements coming. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.